Welcome back again to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how to check Instagram video call history. Now it's a little bit more complicated, but essentially what we need to do is to open up the Instagram application, make sure you authenticate yourself in case you have that set up, but essentially go to the home section and then tap on the conversation. So you just click on the messages right there. And then you should be able to tap the calls tab to see the list of all of your recent calls. And basically, when you are in this section of all of the calls, you can see that here is the video chat ended. So you can just check it out in the specific section of the chat. So you can tap in here and see the entire history written in there, so you can see that this person has initiated a video call and it has been missed. So I can just tap on call back. It's also visible outside of the chat, so you can just tap on that and just start the call immediately, and that's just how it works. Now in the past it used to be available to just tap on one button and see all of the calls listed out in here, but it's just not how it works anymore. So you can just only find it in here, but it's also pretty intuitive that you have it even outside of the chat, and you can always just check it out. So that's pretty cool. But I would also recommend you to always just check it out in the settings, in the App Store, and make sure that you run the latest version of Instagram. Just like all the times you have the updates available for those apps, make sure you always run the latest one to have any new features ready on your phone in case that they are added later on. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future.